Hi, today I have an interesting log for you guys. It's a DOM RS8. This log was sent to me by Captain Hook number 1, so thank you very much for sending it to me. It's a pretty interesting log and pretty interesting key. 2 row of pins, so a standard one like 5 pin, and interesting bidding, a long on pin number 2 and 2 shorts on 4 and 5, and on the other side here's that 3 pins that needs to be set. So it's pretty interesting lock to pick, and the keyway is pretty tricky. It's not like easy one, but it's doable. So you will probably see me changing up picks a couple of times. So and the other interesting thing is tensioning. If you go and tension it counterclockwise, in that case then first the normal pins, the 5 pins, will bind first. If you tension it counterclockwise, in that case the side pins will bind first, so you need to pick them first. So for me, then easiest, I don't know, normal thing is to go with first to pick the 5 pins. I will use for start the 4 diamond, and probably I will change some the picks and use the deeper hook. So now let me readjust. I will try picking nothing on 1, 2 it's binding click on 2, 3 it's binding click, deep click, 4 click, 5 big click. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, nothing, 1, 2, nothing, 1 click. So I think again dropped pin number 4. I'm from start I'm in some small false set, so now I'm using a deep hook. So 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, small click on 4, 5, yeah, small click from 5, again 4, nothing, 3, nothing, 2, nothing, 1, nothing. So let's check the side pins. So I will use the straight leg, and I will try to pick them. So they are not binding, I think. No, they are binding. The first one is binding, and small click on first and deeper falset. So nothing on 2. Let me check pin number 3 if I can reach pin number 3. No, I think I set pin 3. Now I'm on pin 2 now. It's strange feeling on pin 2. I think I overset something. So let me check the other pins just in case. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. Yeah, I think I somehow overset side pins, so I'm losing a tension bit, so I heard something drop. So yeah, I set pin 1. Come on. Set pin 3, I think. So I think it's only pin, but I'm not sure. let's try again to let's continue picking that side pins. I will switch again and check the, no, I think I overset again something. Let me check. And the pins, 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing. Yeah. I think again I overset side pins, so a couple of, I think I heard a couple of them dropped, so I said, yeah, big click from 1, click from 3, and maybe now it's only pin 1 needs to be set, or I'm doing something wrong. Oh, finally it's open. I touched, I think, pin number 3, and yeah, it was strange feeling, but it's open. It is a tricky pick, to be honest. It's not like if you're stuck on some pin, you're stuck. You really don't know if it's a side pins or other pins, but yeah. So now for disassembling I need to use this one, and I need to use the key for the other side, so yeah, bear with me. I forgot to mention that this side was heavily master kit, so a lot of the both sides, sorry, there are a lot of wafers, so I remove it from this side and I pick the side without the wafers, so it's harder to pick, and this assembly is a little bit tricky, so I take my time. So yeah, this is the there is a protection, drill protection, and everything is stuck. So this is the main pins, and this is the three side pins. So yeah, they are an angle, and here's how it's look. So it's yeah, as I said, it's pretty nice pick. So but tricky to disassemble it. So let me show you the pins. So I will start from from the top. So standard pin number 1, bomb like 2, keeping the same for 3, standards over 4, and standard from 5. It was like that. And I think 1 and possibly, I cannot remember, 1, there are master wafer 1, and I think it was on 4, but I cannot remember. And the pins are spool 1, T-pin, barrel like 2, same on 3, spool on 4, and T-pin on, or barrel like, it's a T-pin on 5. And that's the 5 normal pins. They're not really normal, but they're pretty nice pins. And for the side pins, all of them are, for example, this one is like, oh come on, let me show you. It's like tricky to come on folks, here it is. It's tricky to put a pick on it because it's like small T-pin on the top, but the drivers, they are like, come on focus, like serrated or T-pin or T-pin plus spool serrated. It's tricky, that's why I think I overset a couple of times this one. And the spring are a little bit smaller. Here's the body. So nothing done on the body. Everything is, I think, stock and normal. That's right. Won't cooperate. So nothing. There is no serration or counter milling or anything. And yeah. So guys, that was the RS8 lock pick and got it. Captain Hook number 1, thank you very much for sending it to me. And let me give you again a close-up. Guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.